In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use emergency backup codes for two-step verification, or 2FA, on Dropbox. An essential step to ensure you maintain access to your account if you lose access to your phone or authenticator app. This is particularly important because two-step verification adds an extra layer of security. But if you can't use your usual method, these backup codes will be your lifesaver. Let's get started on how to obtain these codes. First, you need to sign into your account at Dropbox.com. Use your credentials and log in just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, head over to your avatar, your profile picture, or maybe just your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo, and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings section, navigate to the Security tab. This is where you manage all things related to your account's security. Under the Two-Factor Authentication section, you'll want to search for something that mentions recovery codes or emergency backup codes. It might vary slightly, but it should be immediately recognizable as related to backup codes. Click on Show or perhaps View Codes. At this point, Dropbox might require you to re-enter your password. This is just an additional security step to confirm your identity. Once you're there, you'll see a list of codes, typically about 10 of them. These are your emergency backup codes. At this point, it's crucial to either print these codes or save them somewhere very safe. Consider storing them offline by printing them on paper, saving them in a secure password manager, or even locking them away in a safe. The key here is to have them accessible only to you, but secure from any potential security threats. It's important to note that should you turn off 2FA or need to reset it, those existing codes will no longer be valid, and you'll need to generate a new batch. Now, let's move on to how to use one of these codes if you're ever unable to access your usual 2FA method, like if your phone is lost or the authenticator app isn't working. When trying to log in, after you've entered your password, you'll encounter the usual prompt for a 2FA code. You'll want to click on a link that says something like, "Having trouble getting a code?" or something similar. From there, select Enter Emergency Backup Code. At this point, enter one of the backup codes from your list. This will allow you to gain access to your account. After you successfully use a code, it's a smart move to mark it as used, especially if you have several backup codes remaining. Keep the unused ones safe. Once you've gone through your last backup code, remember you'll have to generate a new set of codes via your settings to continue securing your access. Follow these instructions, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that, come what may, you'll still be able to access your Dropbox account